Okay, ma'am.
So motion, what is motion? Motion is the change of a body with respect to time. Okay, and motions are of three types mainly. Motion can take place in a straight line, and it can take place in a circular path. It can also take place, that is, it may be periodic. Periodic means it will repeat after some time, after fixed time interval it will just going to repeat itself. We can again classify motion into two more types, that is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. What is uniform motion? Uniform motion is a type of motion when a body covers equal distance in equal time interval. It is called uniform motion. And what is non-uniform motion? Non-uniform motion is a motion where a body covers unequal distance in unequal or maybe equal time intervals. That is called non-uniform motion. Okay, from this chapter we have get the notion or concept of speed. What is speed actually? Speed is actually, that is the distance covered per unit time. So how we can symbolize speed? Speed is equals to distance divided by time. Okay, so speed is how it is measured. It is measured with the help of an instrument that is called speedometer. You know how to calculate the distance, how the distance is calculated in a vehicle? What is the instrument called? Tell me the
Ma'am,
answer.
odometer.
Ma'am,
Odometer.
odometer.
Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am,
so
odometer.
speedometer detects the speed and odometer detects the distance.
Distance.
Okay, very good. Next, distance, length of the path traveled in SI unit is, what is the unit? It is in meter. And the time, what is it? It is expressed in second.
Ma'am, second.
Yes, and the basic unit of speed tab kya hoga? Meter per
Ma'am,
second.
meter per second.
Yes, from there we have derived the, and we can also show the speed of an object, or an object is in uniform motion or a non-uniform motion with the help of time distance graph. We have read across about three types of time distance graph. When we have got a straight line in a graph, time distance graph, what is that type of graph? What is it called? It is in uniform
Ma'am,
motion.
Uniform
yes, ma'am.
motion.
Uniform motion. And when it is in a form of curve, it will be in
Ma'am,
non-uniform motion.
Non-uniform motion.
non-uniform motion.
And when the line, the straight line is parallel with the x-axis, what does it represents?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
rest.
rest.
It
Rest.
is rest. Okay. So these are the few important terms and the concepts regarding this chapter. And also we have read about pendulum, है ना? Pendulum.
Yes,
Pendulum
ma'am.
is a body. It is an oscillating body. It shows simple harmonic motion. It repeats the same activity after a certain period of
Excuse me, ma'am.
time. Yes, Asa, bolo.
Ma'am, ma'am, periodic motion and oscillatory motion are same or they are different?
Periodic means that after every time interval the time is fixed and the distance covered is also fixed. That is
Okay, ma'am.
periodic. Oscillation means, yes, it is a that is, it is vibrating. The vibration may decrease or increase, but periodic motion will be fixed. That is, that your earth takes 365 and 1/4 days to revolve around the sun. Every year wahi hai na, the period is fixed.
Yes, ma'am.
Every day it only
Yes,
takes
ma'am.
24 hours to rotate on its own axis, so it is periodic, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
But pendulum, that we have done the activity in the class, we have just tap it, it was oscillating, but after some time it comes to rest. So that at the end it is not a periodic one, it has just slowed down, and we have, when we have tap it and it has become fast. So
Yes.
this is the difference between, is it clear, periodic and
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
very good.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
earlier times, you know, there are some instruments by which we are going to measure the time. What were they? Kya kya hai? Can anyone
Ma'am,
tell?
sand clock.
Ma'am, water.
Ma'am, sundial,
One by
sand
one, one
clock,
by one.
water clock.
Yes. Yes, Prem, batao.
Ma'am,
Sundial, yes.
sundial. Ma'am,
Okay.
sand clock.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
sand
water
Okay.
clock
clock.
and water clock.
Okay. And now after that, there was the came the quartz, and now
Ma'am,
the
ma'am,
electronic
quartz clock.
quartz clock. Now you know the digital clocks are also there.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So this is all about this chapter, motion and time. Now we are going to do the